Hello everyone, this video is regarding how to recover your Instagram post or Instagram reel or IGTV video. So by mistake you have deleted your Instagram reel or any post. So this video is about how to recover that. So I'm going to open my Instagram account here, and after opening you have to click on these three lines, and here guys you have to click on settings, and in the settings earlier it was in the account, so you can find your recently deleted videos or posts. So I just mistakenly deleted my video Instagram reel, so I'm going to click on search, and here you have to write recently deleted. So you have to search for recently deleted, and you will find all the posts that you have deleted or you have by mistake you have deleted. So just click on it and it will open up here, and on the three dots here you can see, just click on restore and it is going to restore into your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on restore button and click on restore, and here it will ask you for your number and mobile. So just select any option you want. So I'm selecting my mobile number and click on next, and Instagram is going to send you a 6-digit code on your mobile number. So 937215. So 937215. So I'm going to click on confirm. This is how guys your post is going to recover. So if I come back to my account, here you will find your recently deleted video. So here it is guys. So by mistake I have deleted this. Now it is coming back to my account, and if you haven't find your reel coming back to your account, do a sign out or sign in again into your account, and you will find your post here. So that is all guys from this video. So do subscribe to my channel. See you soon guys. Bye bye.